Hey there, let's dive into the problem we have on our hands. So, imagine you have two lists, one containing both numbers and strings, and the other only numbers. The goal here is to print from the second list only the numbers that have another number, either as a number or string, in the same index in the first list. Tricky, right? Now, let's talk about the solution. In the given code snippet, we use list comprehension to filter the first list and create a new list based on the second one. We iterate over the first list using the enumerate function to access both the index and the value. By checking if the value is an integer using the isInstance function, we ensure we only consider numbers. Then, we append the corresponding element from the second list to our output list. But wait, there's more to this solution. Continuing with the solution provided, we now expand our logic. Along with checking if the element is an integer, we also need to handle cases where the element is a string. By adding an additional condition to check if the string is a digit using the isDigit method, we cover both integer and string cases. This way, we include both types of elements that can represent numbers in the final output list. And just like that, we have our refined solution to the problem at hand. In conclusion, we tackled a tricky problem by filtering out numbers from one list based on the presence of either numbers or number-like strings in another list. By leveraging list comprehension and a bit of conditional logic, we were able to achieve the desired output effectively. I hope this explanation was helpful and shed light on how to approach similar challenges in your coding journey. Keep coding, stay curious, and until next time, happy coding. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.